Gypsyfae Creations. We are making a pineapple soap today, and I know I promised I wouldn't bore you guys with any more pineapple soaps. This is the other soap that I designed over a year ago when I first started soaping that I never ever got to do. So, time to get it going. Regardless of what I wanted to do, I have to get this one out of the way before summer is over and this soap is not even ready. So I've poured my sodium lactate lye and water solution into my oils, and I'm just going to give that a whirl with the kitchen vibrator. Okay, even though I designed this a year ago, I don't exactly remember the particular design I came up with, so I'm kind of winging it. I wanted the inside to look like a pineapple, I guess. So we're going to split this into two, and I've got some Firefly mica and a little bit of shimmer gold mica from Retro Soap in there. And I still don't know how I want to do this. I think I'm going to put some bronze brown mica into the other container. I thought maybe doing a layered soap, or should I do it in the pot swirl, or should I do a tiger stripe, should I do a drop swirl? I don't know. I have no idea what I should do with this. And then I thought about like putting chunks of soap in there, and so I'm just going with it. I'm just going with what I have here, and we're gonna probably do an in the pot swirl, but let's see. Okay, so the fragrance, I picked out two different scents, two different blends really. I took two blends and I blended them together to make some kind of complicated, lengthy description of what this soap is supposed to smell like. Basically, it's pineapple, coconut, citrus, berries, and tropical fruits. So I'm going to split my fragrance up into these two containers here and mix it in. It smells really good. It smells more pineapple, coconut, pina colada to me than anything else. Like, that's exactly what I smell, is just pineapple, coconut. But pineapple, that's what I was going for. It is what it is. So I had bought the molds. I had bought the starfish mold for the last soap and the pineapple, yeah, they're ugly, the pineapple mold off of Etsy in May of 2017. And I think they came probably 3 months later from China. And I had a lot of trouble trying to track these because there's no tracking if you order from China. And the seller kept saying they were on their way, and I never got them. So by the time I did get them, it was just way too late to be making a summer soap. Probably not. I mean, it would have sold, but I'm the kind of person that's like, nope, you make summer in summer, and the pumpkins in the fall, and the pines in the winter. That just is how I am. I won't even drink a pumpkin spice latte in the summer. It's blasphemy. You reserve the pumpkin for the fall, and that's what makes it fall. Okay, so this is the mold. I thought I'd show you how awful this mold is. It's very flimsy, very thin, and like half the pineapples are like dented in. And I have not used this, but this is the first time. Like, I've not used this before, so when I pour soap in there, it made a huge mess. So this thing is just garbage. I don't even know what to do with it. I had good intentions. Alright, let's bring it in for a closer look after I pour one into the other, because we are doing it in the pot swirl. So I'm just going to pour this in 3 different spots, scrape out the brown. It's gonna look like the outside of a pineapple, I guess. like the skin. All right, just like that. And then I'll bring you in for a closer look. Let's get this poured in here. These colors remind me of banana and chocolate, just in case I ever wanted to do a banana and chocolate soap. All right. I think it's a little too brown. Tierra a year ago would have been very upset with me. But I do think it's a little too brown. I should have just done the layering. I'm not a person who goes for brown soap. It just reminds me of when there's vanilla in a fragrance and I forget to add the vanilla color stabilizer, or when I add it and it turns brown anyway. Good example, I've showed this to you in the last one. This is the butterbeer soap that's still turning, and I put vanilla color stabilizer in there. And that's what this soap is kind of reminding me of now. Dang it, Tierra. Oh well. I'm going to make the top of it so pretty that the bottom won't matter. Alright, let's get that a whack. So I'm going to do a icing on this soap. And I'm going to do it in green, kind of like the green leaves of a pineapple. And then I'll stick those little pineapple molds, embed things on there. I'll be back. Alright, got my green icing here. And the Wilton, I don't know why I don't know these by heart, 8B. I just love this shape. So it is the Wednesday before Father's Day, and June is just flying by. I think it snuck up on me. I'm not ready for Father's Day. I feel so bad. Bradley was going to go to Deep Creek to his family's house because they have a house out on the lake. And I'm like, that's cool. I'll probably hang out with my dad, so you just go down there for the weekend and I'll see what's going on with my family. Like, you know, it's fine. We're grown-ups. We can do this. And I talked to my stepmother and I was like, what's going on with Dad for this weekend? And she's like, yeah, we're trying to go away for the weekend, but we're not having any luck. I was going to ask Janet and Tom, my in-laws, if we could use the house for Deep Creek. I was like, great, because that's where they're going and I wasn't trying to go. Now the in-laws and my dad and stepmom will be at the house in Deep Creek, and that's where I will be going this weekend. And it's not an awful thing, you know, it's a free place to stay, it's family, whatever, and it's nice and relaxing out there. But you guys know how I am with my soap. I can't be away from soaping. Are you crazy? I have to get a soap in, at least one. One during the weekend, please. I need an intervention, I think. My icing's getting a little runny here. But they have a boat and they have a hot tub and there's like 5 places to sleep and we're gonna grill out. I bought some hot dogs and some potato salads to take down with me. But we're leaving early Sunday. I'm just throwing that out there so that I can come home and make some soap. Call me crazy. I know. Alright. So we're gonna leave Friday for a short weekend down at Deep Creek, which is another reason why I don't like going to down to Deep Creek. It's actually up. It is up in the mountains of Maryland. The reason why I don't like going is because of the drive. I absolutely hate the drive there. It's like 3 hours and it just kills me. I have to put the dog in the car and he hates it, and it's just boring, all that driving to go be bored at Deep Creek. But that's my opinion. I am the kind of person who, like, I need something to do. I like adventure. You know, things have to be going on, and this is just kind of a relaxed place. They have a ski resort, but that's not my thing. And obviously it's not the time of year for it. I don't know. It's too relaxing for me. And I can't make soap. Anyway, I'm sure it'll be fun. I can relax, right? I can figure out what that's like. Alright. So the pineapples are gonna go on that side like that. And then I've got some salts here that have green and yellow on them, and I thought I would just add a little salt sprinkle to it. Why not? Not too much else going on. Gotta make it pretty. Alright, and then I'll just add a little bits of glitter. I'll let this sit for 24 to 48 hours. And I'm going to cut this before I leave for Deep Creek. End of story. Alright, back to cut this, and not happy with it. I am my own worst critic though. As you can see, the icing went a little plop. So here's a tip. If your soap base gets hot, then your soap top goes plop. You like that? It rhymes.
How long did it take you to figure that out?
It looks like plop. It just went plop all over the side of it. But you know what? I don't care.
Now I know the reason you lost sleep last night.
No.
Thinking of that joke.
It was easy. It was easy.
Oh yeah?
I just kind of said it to myself and it came out that way.
Oh.
So, still making it a little hard to cut here. Because of poo.
Come on.
Don't look. You didn't see anything.
Right. Gonna do a little.
Because I don't like this end, I'm gonna pretend it doesn't exist for a minute.
Scoot around. There you go.
Let's see.
Perfect.
How's it look? It's too brown.
I like it.
It's too brown.
Let's fix that.
Thank you, cameraman. Oh, so we are going to cut the soap and then pack.
Mm-hmm.
How's that sound?
So going down the creek.
I keep saying down, but you know it's not down.
Yeah, it's like
it just
going left to the click, the creek.
It's how we're used to saying down the ocean.
Yeah.
So everything's just downy something.
Down the ocean.
Downy creek.
Down the creek.
You gotta say creek, like crick too.
Yeah, creek. Down the creek.
I do like how this green turned out on there though. I'm loving that soapy green. It's so pretty. And the little green salts on top. I had good intentions.
It's a very beautiful soap, Tierra.
I know, I'm just gonna beat myself up about the soap icing.
Yeah, something.
Look, it looks like pineapple leaves for real now, okay?
Yeah, it does.
I don't know what I'm gonna call this soap yet either.
It's a very different green than you normally use, too.
It's new. It was a sample that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I think it was called Alpine Green.
That makes sense.
And I'm trying to find the best possible way to cut this soap, so don't mind me. This embed just a little too close. But I made it work.
Perfect.
It was like right on it.
Mm-hmm.
See? Close cut. Same for this guy. Alright. Next time, if there is a next time, I want to go a little less brown on the soap. But everything else is good. Nice little swirl. Top's okay. There it is. So, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in any of the soaps that you see me make on this channel, check out my Etsy shop. I list them on there, so whatever's available you guys can purchase. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun soap making videos. You guys can leave me any questions or comments down below. I promise I will get back to you. And until next time, guys, smell you later.